Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. This is the second lesson in my series on the 8 parts of speech. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you all about adverbs. So in English, there are 8 parts of speech. We have nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. In my last video, we talked about adjectives, and in today's video, we're going to talk about adverbs. Now, there are many different types of adverbs, and we're going to review them in this lesson. So, what are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describe or modify other words. An adverb can describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs tell you how, when, or where something happens. For example, she walked slowly. The baby cried loudly. Both of these words, slowly and loudly, describe the actions. How did she walk? She walked slowly. How did the baby cry? It cried loudly. So what are the main types of adverbs? We have adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the question how an action is done. Beautifully, calmly, angrily, quickly, accidentally. We also have adverbs of degree, which answer the question how much. Almost, really, quite, too, very, enough, barely. These are all examples of adverbs of degree. We have adverbs of frequency, which answer the question how often. Always, usually, frequently, sometimes, rarely, never. We also have adverbs of place, which answer the question where. Anywhere, here, inside, near, there. And we have adverbs of time, which answer the question when. Already, immediately, eventually, later, lately, now, soon, then, today, tomorrow. These are all examples of these types of adverbs. So let's talk about each type in more detail. First, let's talk about adverbs of manner, which answer the question how. Adverbs of manner describe how something is done. She played the piano beautifully. How did she play the piano? Beautifully. The teacher calmly explained the lesson. How did the teacher explain the lesson? Calmly. David ran up the stairs quickly. Now let's talk about adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree help us to express how much or to what intensity we do something. Is your tea hot enough? I really like my new doctor. She almost finished painting the house. So adverbs of degree help us express the intensity. Is it hot enough? How much or to what intensity do you like your doctor? I really like my doctor. Next, we have adverbs of frequency, which help us to express how often an action happens. I always drink coffee before breakfast. Bobby never eats mushrooms. Jessica usually goes to the gym after work. So adverbs of frequency help us express if we do something a little bit or a lot, or never. Next, we have adverbs of place. Adverbs of place describe where something happens or will happen. I've lived here for 2 years. Why are you sitting there? She just walked inside the restaurant. And finally, we have adverbs of time. Adverbs of time describe when something happens or will happen. I will call you later. My boss said I need to finish the reports immediately. He's taking me on a date tomorrow. Okay, so when people talk about adverbs versus adjectives, they are usually referring to adverbs of manner. And we usually form this type of adverb by adding ly to an adjective. For example, we have the adjective calm, which becomes calmly as an adverb of manner. Quiet becomes quietly. Careful becomes carefully. Happy becomes happily. Notice that with an adjective ending in a y, we change that to ily, not happily, we say happily. Just like angry becomes angrily. Reasonable becomes reasonably. We take off the e of reasonable and add an ly. So adjective example. He is a calm man. The teacher is calm. In both of these examples, we are using calm, the adjective. However, as an adverb, we can say he spoke calmly to the students, or he calmly spoke to the students. Usually we put the adverb of manner after the verb, but if you want to place emphasis on the adverb, you can also place it in front of the verb. He calmly spoke to the students, not he angrily spoke to the students. Both of these are correct. And in both of these, we are describing how the action was done. So let's talk about irregular adverbs of manner. So we have the adjective good. As an adverb, we say well. We do not say goodly. For example, he is a good soccer player. We don't say he plays soccer goodly. Goodly is incorrect. This is irregular. We say he plays soccer well. And we also don't say he plays soccer good because good is an adjective. The rest of these adjectives stay the same as both an adjective and an adverb. Fast, fast. Hard, hard. Late, late. Early, early. High, high. Low, low. Right, right. Wrong, wrong. So for example, Elizabeth is a fast runner. We don't say Elizabeth runs fastly. Fastly is incorrect. It is not a word. The adverb is the same as the adjective. Elizabeth runs fast. So these are ones you will have to memorize. Okay, let's do our quiz. We have 7 questions. Are these sentences correct? Number 1, I walked quickly to the store. Number 2, can you please speak quiet? We're in a library. Number 3, Beth's in her bedroom. She's studying hardly. Number 4, Dad drove carefully because the weather was terrible. Number 5, Lauren speaks English good. Number 6, she calmly broke up with her boyfriend. Number 7, I arrived lately for the party because there was a lot of traffic. Okay, let's correct these together. Number 1 is correct. We have the adverb quickly, and that is correct. Number 2 is incorrect. Can you please speak quiet? Quiet is an adjective. We need to say quietly. Can you please speak quietly? Because the adverb is modifying the verb speak. Number 3, Beth's in her bedroom. She's studying hardly. This is incorrect. We want to say she's studying hard. Hard stays the same for both the adjective and the adverb. Number 4 is correct. We have the adverb carefully, and it is correct. Number 5 is incorrect. Lauren speaks English good. We want to use an adverb here, and good is not the adverb because we need to modify speaks. So Lauren speaks English well, not good. Well. Number 6, she calmly broke up with her boyfriend. That is correct. And number 7 is incorrect. I arrived lately for the party because there was a lot of traffic. We don't say lately, we say I arrived late. It stays the same. The word lately means recently. For example, lately I have been eating a lot of sushi. That means recently. But in this case, we are talking about arriving late for the party. So we have to use the adverb late. Okay, so let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 7. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. If you want more lessons on the 8 different parts of speech, you can watch my video on adjectives and also subscribe to my channel for other lessons which I will be releasing talking about the 8 parts of speech in English. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to click thumbs up on this video, and I will see you in my next lesson.